Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to unlock this lock mechanism if somehow it doesn't want to unlock, because I'm running into this issue where I locked it so it doesn't open the trunk, but now I can't unlock it so that I can pull on the trunk. So I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So what I did was I had to pry this cover off to get access to the mechanism behind this. Alright, once you have the cover removed, you want to pop this lock up and out. So once that lock is out, you want to move this back and forth. So it's locked right now. Then you move it to unlock and lock and unlock. You want to move this a couple of times because I think there's like dust and rocks sometimes get in here, so it jams up the lock mechanism. So you want to move it a couple of times back and forth to loosen it. Alright, once that's done, make sure it's still back into the lock position, and you want to put this back down. So now it locks and unlocks freely without any issue. So this is lock, unlock. There you go. The trunk is open now. Lock it, pull it back out. Now it's unlocked. There you go. That's how you fix this issue. So after that, you're all done. Put the cover back in and you are all done.